of this five-stroke sign.
A person stands by a stake in this ancient design.
Nimben, a person stands on the left.
そして横反り跳ね点
A stake on the right marks the space
where a person will stand in its place. Die is the only you'll hear.
a substitute, an age, a price made clear.
Deity, a substitute.
A proxy,
代表
a representative.
時代
An era,
an age
Kodai,
ancient times
Sedai,
generation
Die for generations.
代金
Cost, price, and ties, and on that's heard.
in one very common word.
Kotai,
Alternating,
taking turns.
Ka is the kun stem heard
Kawaru,
to take the place of substitute.
hand over.
Kawarini in place of or instead.
Okawari,
Another helping of food.
in the place of the first you were fed.
Yo for generation, rain and Shiro for price.
RK-kun for words less heard.
Yoyogi,
A Tokyo neighborhood.
Kimi ga yo, our national anthem's first words. Shiro mono, quite a thing, quite the find.
Often said,
With a wink for what's really in mind.これ見て、全然違う時代だったね。
これうちのじいさんの先祖代々伝わってきたものなんや。
へえ、なかなかの代物じゃない。
だろ。でも大事な代物なんや。
私が代わりに預かっておこうね。
お前になら安心して任せられる。
Look at this, it was such a different era.
This was my grandfather's, passed down through generations.
Quite the piece, isn't it?
Right? But it matters to me, this old thing.
Yeah, let me hold on to it for you.
I can trust it with you.
Divion, cut the stem for the kun.
Yo and Shiro,
Sometimes used to.
an old treasure passed down to us.
代わりに預かっておこうね。
One day to our children we'll entrust.